Nestled in the heart of Africa, Rwanda offers cyclists something truly unique. Here, the roads wind endlessly through 1,000 hills, each climb a new challenge, each descent a breathtaking view. The cool mornings, the mist rolling over the mountains, and the perfect year-round weather create natural conditions that few places on Earth can match. But it's not just the landscape, it's the peace, the safety, and the spirit of a nation that welcomes riders from across the world. From local champions to global teams, Rwanda has become more than a destination. It has become Africa's hidden cycling capital, where endurance is built, limits are tested, and greatness is born.